Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Justin with Vermello Media, and I'm coming at you with another video. And today we got another unboxing. These are new Taillights because I had to open them up, make sure that's what they were, and they are new Taillights. I didn't see them yet, so I'm gonna give you guys my first impressions of how I think of them, packaging, everything. So we're just gonna jump right into it. So packaging is good. Obviously, it's nothing you can really ask. Obviously the box, bubble wrap, and then side protectors for the actual tail lights. So take these out, and we'll go ahead and do this one first. I haven't seen them yet, so this is gonna be my first impression. They seem actually sturdy. Put the box out of the way. So they come with bubble wrap. Go ahead and take it off. Oh yeah, this looks sick. Get that out of the way. So, first impression, they look sick. Definitely gonna look good on the truck. I like the darker style with the less red. I'm just not a fan of stock OEM stuff, obviously, but they look good. Packaging, good. Quality, the lenses, they feel good. They don't feel like they'll scratch, but that's obviously me tapping on them. But the plastic seems sturdy. It doesn't feel like cheap. Like they're from China, but they don't feel like they're from China, if that makes sense. Obviously, plug and play. Resistor, I'm not sure if this is a sequential resistor or if it's just because they're LED'd, but I know on my Corvette I had a resistor that you can unplug and it will make the actual like turn signal. I guess this sequential, I have no idea. When we plug them in, we'll test it out, see how it is. But yeah, first impressions, they look sick. I think they're gonna look really good on the truck. So that's the driver's side. Obviously the same thing for the passenger side. I think with the blue, metallic blue paint that's gonna be coming on this truck with the silver, they're gonna look sick. So yep, there's a passenger. Let's get this box out of the way. So that's them next to each other. Definitely gonna be a huge improvement from the stock, especially mine. My stock ones, they're very cloudy. They use like halogen bulbs, so they're not really bright, especially at night. When you brake, you honestly can't tell the difference between them just being on and you braking, and that's obviously dangerous because I don't want to brake and then someone hit me from behind or something like that. So I'm pretty sure this section in the middle here is the actual brake, and then this white strip is the daytime, like just the running light that's always on, and then obviously we have the reverse light, which I'm not sure if that's LED, but I'm not really too worried about that one because I'm gonna get a strip underneath, so whenever I back up, it'll be nice and bright. The side, very sleek. These are really nice. They're gonna look really good on the truck, I think. But yeah, the build quality of this one, nothing feels to like rattle except obviously the pigtails and everything. But yeah, definitely quality is amazing. Packaging was amazing, so definitely consider these good buy. I'm gonna link them down in the description below. If you're interested in them, just go down there, check them out. I bought them on Amazon, I think 150 bucks with shipping maybe, but definitely recommend them. So let's just go outside, put them on the truck. I'm gonna show you guys actually like how crappy these stock ones are. As you can tell, I mean, you can see them, but obviously not that well. They work, but they suck. So we're gonna go ahead and replace these. And it's not really gonna be like a how-to because it's really simple to put these on. So there's only 2 bolts that actually hold this in. So it's one Phillips and then another one. So just take those out and then I'll show you. All right, after you guys take the 2 screws out, it literally should just come right out. There must be another one somewhere. I just don't want to break it. Oh, nope. It was just stuck. Oh, so it just clips. So, this is it out. I would suggest cleaning that, but these are coming off and this is going to get repainted, so I'm not really worried. So, I'm going to take this clip off. This whole headlight broke. Oh, it's missing a screw. Pigtails out. Here, we'll do a little comparison of the lights. Just oh yeah, just look at that. Day and night difference. So I'll just plug them in. You should put this up, but I'm just gonna throw this in there for now. And connect the pigtail. And it does have clips, so just like you gotta like fold it like that. Make sure all the wires are tucked up in there. Yeah, get the seal on there. Alright, now you just gotta put your screws in. It's honestly a very simple job. So it's not really like a how-to video, it's just oh yeah, those things look nasty. I mean, with the paint, not so much, but you could just tell a lot better. So I'm just gonna make them snug again. Not too tight, but snug. Because they're coming right back out anyways. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put this up, toggle it up. Oh yeah. And then I'm gonna turn the lights on. We'll do a little side test of the brightness. We'll turn the hazards on. Oh yeah. That looks sick. Like, see, you can't even tell. I mean, on camera it's coming up a lot more, but it's not as bright. Like, these are like, you could tell like that's blinking. Yeah, definitely a good upgrade. Looks really good. And it's obviously the same thing on the other side. 2 screws, literally just take it out, unplug it, plug the new ones back in. It's simple. So I'm just gonna end it here. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any more questions or any other recommendations you guys want me to do to the truck, just put them in the description below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.